Hello fams, it's your girl Grace World Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have not been able to wash my hair for almost a month now because I have been loving my natural hair lately and styling it from left to right, and it's been so wonderful. So right now is hair wash day, baby, and I'll be using my favorite product from Beauty Nest, and I'll be leaving the website and the Instagram handle of this product. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections for me to handle the hair better and target my scalp, because that's where the dirt and the buildups are. Your sections don't need to be perfect for this. You just want your hair to be well moisturized and well, taken care of. That's it.
When I'm weeny, wanna your love, they do me this night, yeah.
I get one of the quadras and spray some water and detangle it with my hands. Then I'll be going in with my Addio Build Up Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo for the conditioning my hair first and massaging the product down onto my scalp. I love this shampoo so much because it smells so good and it has peppermint, which helps to treat dandruff, which I've been suffering from since I gave birth to my kids. And secondly, I love the nozzle of this bottle because it distributes product efficiently and helps to minimize waste and also conserves the product. The first technique that I'll be introducing to you that I've been using lately on my hair wash day that has helped my hair grow tremendously well and also have helped in my hair length retention is applying the shampoo directly to the scalp and not the tips of my hair. And also I use my hand to massage and to scrub the hair to remove dirt and buildups, and also to soften the roots of my hair so that the product could go in and do its work. You know what I mean? Like, to help the product work better. So I continued this process to all the 4 sections I made, and once I finished doing that, I went into the shower to wash them off, and I added more of this shampoo of this my baby. I love this shampoo. It smells so good. I had to add more to wash out the hair because the thing I did earlier on was to use it as the conditioner, and that is the fun part of this shampoo. The shampoo worked so well for the condition in my hair. It worked so well, and I'm recommending this shampoo to everyone. If you haven't gotten yours, go get yourself this shampoo. I love it. I love this so much. It's better than all the things I've been using, all the shampoos I've been using. I'm telling you, I have to tell you that. So I applied more on my hair for general washing, and we prepare for the conditioning. Now to condition my hair, I'm using the Shea Butter Moisture Retention Conditioner, and it pairs so well with this Addio Build Up Moisturizing Black Soap shampoo that I used earlier. This conditioner is so good, and I will recommend it to anyone who needs a conditioner. So it helps, this conditioner helps to moisturize my hair so well. So when conditioning my hair, I make sure I work in portions. That's very important. This technique helps for you to work the product into your hair, massage the hair, detangle the hair. I use my hands first, then I go in with my white tooth comb to condition, to comb out and detangle the hair. When I'm done with each section, I hold the hair, that particular section, with a rubber band, and then I detangle more and comb it more, and I braid. In the hair, removing the excess water, I apply my Quench Me Herbal Hair Growth on my edges, and also on my hair, on the strands of the hair, braided hair. It's just for my hair to not feel the so much pressure. And also I applied my one and only oil. I also from Beauty Nest. Shout out to Beauty Nest for all this product, especially the nozzle. Oh my god, I love everything about this product. Thank you so much, Beauty Nest, for the product. And also, after applying it, I apply it on my edges for my hair growth. This oil has a lot of ingredients to help your hair grow, and it's most especially, it smells so nice and I love it. I would recommend this hair anytime, anywhere, any day. Go and get yours and apply it on your hair, for massage and all that stuff, and your hair will feel nice. So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you learned one thing or two, and until then, I will see